In front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by launching settings and tapping on connected devices. Then connection preferences and finally printing. Now you can tap on default print service or any other service you have. Use this switcher to switch it on or off and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!